What if the key to transforming your life was as simple as looking in the mirror? Imagine seeing not just your reflection, but your potential, your dreams, and your strength staring back at you. In the next 21 days, you can reprogram the way you see yourself and the life you deserve. This isn't just about affirmations, it's about discovering the miracle within. Let's start this journey to a whole new you, one day at a time. Mirrors are more than just objects. They reflect not only our physical appearance, but also our beliefs about ourselves. For many, the mirror becomes a source of criticism and doubt. But what if you used it as a tool for empowerment instead? Start by understanding that your reflection is neutral. It's your thoughts and emotions that assign meaning to it. The practice of mirror work shifts this dynamic, turning the mirror into a portal for self-love and personal growth. By speaking positive affirmations to yourself in the mirror, you can rewrite negative patterns and build confidence. Studies show that repeating affirmations in the mirror amplifies their impact. Why? Because seeing your own face while speaking these truths creates a deeper emotional connection. You're not just saying the words, you're feeling them. This is the foundation of your 21-day journey. By transforming your relationship with your reflection, you'll start to see not only physical changes, but also shifts in how you approach life. The first step to any change is commitment. For the next 21 days, dedicate just 5 minutes each morning and evening to this practice. The consistency will be key to unlocking the miracles this challenge promises. Begin by choosing a quiet space with a clean, well-lit mirror. Stand or sit comfortably, look into your own eyes, and take a few deep breaths. This is your time, a sacred moment to connect with yourself. On day 1, your affirmation could be simple, I am enough. Speak it aloud with conviction. At first, it may feel awkward or even emotional. That's perfectly normal. These initial feelings are signs that you're breaking through old barriers. As the days progress, layer on affirmations that resonate with your goals. If you seek abundance, say, I attract wealth and opportunities effortlessly. If healing is your focus, affirm, my body and mind are strong and resilient. The key is to feel the words as if they are already true. Resistance is natural when you begin something new, especially when it involves self-love. You might hear an inner voice saying, this isn't working, or I don't believe it. Acknowledge this resistance without judgment. It's just an old habit of doubt trying to hold on. To counter resistance, remind yourself of why you started this journey. Write down your intentions for the 21 days and keep them visible. Let them anchor you when doubts arise. Another way to push through resistance is to focus on small wins. Maybe you noticed a moment of self-compassion where criticism used to dominate. Celebrate these shifts. They're proof that change is happening. The discomfort you feel is a sign that growth is taking place. Every time you choose to continue, despite the resistance, you strengthen your belief in yourself and your vision. The core of this journey lies in the affirmations you choose. Self-love affirmations are the most powerful tools for breaking free from self-doubt and building a positive relationship with your reflection. Here are some examples to incorporate into your daily practice. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I deserve happiness and success. I am proud of who I am and who I'm becoming. When saying these affirmations, don't rush. Speak slowly and look deeply into your eyes. Let the words sink in and evoke emotion. The more heartfelt your delivery, the more powerful the results. Over time, you'll notice a shift. The voice of self-criticism will soften, replaced by a voice of encouragement and love. This transformation is the miracle of the mirror in action. Your mirror practice doesn't just boost self-esteem, it also helps manifest your deepest desires. And when you combine affirmations with visualization, the results can be astounding. While repeating affirmations, picture the life you want. See yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotions that come with success, joy, or fulfillment. For example, if you want a new career, imagine yourself thriving in that role. Use specific affirmations tied to your goals, such as, I am open to receiving opportunities aligned with my purpose. I attract people and resources that support my success. This combination of words and imagery imprints your desires onto your subconscious mind, which then works to make them your reality. Gratitude is a magnet for miracles. Incorporate it into your mirror work by acknowledging what you're thankful for. Start or end your affirmations with statements like, thank you for my strength, health, and resilience. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's already abundant. This energy opens doors to more blessings, creating a powerful cycle of positivity and manifestation. Keep a journal of your mirror work journey. Document how you feel each day, the affirmations you use, and any noticeable changes. Tracking progress keeps you motivated and helps you see the cumulative impact of your efforts. Celebrate every milestone, big or small. Whether it's a boost in confidence or achieving a specific goal, these wins reinforce your belief in the power of mirror work. Mirror work is not just about boosting self-esteem or manifesting goals, it's also a powerful tool for emotional healing. Many of us carry emotional wounds from past experiences, whether they stem from relationships, childhood, or self-imposed expectations. Facing your reflection with compassion can be the first step toward mending these hidden scars. Start by acknowledging your pain without judgment. Stand in front of the mirror and say, I see you. I understand your pain. You are safe now. This simple act validates your feelings and reminds you that it's okay to have emotions. Often emotional healing begins with the courage to confront what's been suppressed. Incorporate affirmations specifically designed for healing, such as, I release the hurt of my past and accept the peace of the present. I forgive myself and others for past mistakes, setting myself free. I am worthy of love, joy, and inner peace. The mirror becomes a symbol of your support system. By using it to reassure yourself daily, you replace self-doubt and guilt with acceptance and hope. Over time, you'll notice a lighter, freer version of yourself emerging. Healing takes patience and consistency. Don't rush the process. Celebrate small victories, such as letting go of a grudge or finding closure. These steps accumulate into profound emotional transformation. One of the most profound elements of mirror work is the power of eye contact. Looking into your own eyes creates an intimate connection with your inner self, almost as if you're peering into your soul. This connection can deepen self-awareness and foster a sense of self-acceptance that's hard to achieve otherwise. Begin this practice by holding your gaze in the mirror for at least 30 seconds before speaking any affirmations. Don't avoid your reflection. Instead, meet it with curiosity and kindness. You may feel vulnerable, but this vulnerability is where transformation begins. As you progress, start asking yourself reflective questions during these moments of eye contact. Questions like, what do I truly want? Or how can I support myself today? Prompt honest answers that reveal your deepest needs and desires. This process also strengthens your inner dialogue. You'll notice that the critical voice in your mind becomes quieter, replaced by a tone of encouragement and reassurance. By simply maintaining eye contact, you're training yourself to see your worth and potential every day. This practice is a cornerstone of mirror work because it fosters a genuine connection with yourself. Over time, this connection becomes unshakable, empowering you to navigate life with confidence and clarity. While the 21-day challenge is a fantastic way to start, the real magic happens when you make mirror work a lifelong habit. Think of these 3 weeks as laying the foundation for a practice that evolves with you. After 21 days, reflect on what's changed. Are you more confident, more forgiving? Have you noticed shifts in how you approach challenges? Use these insights to tailor your affirmations and goals for the next phase of your journey. Incorporate mirror work into different aspects of your life. For example, before a big meeting or presentation, use it to boost your confidence. I am capable and prepared. During tough times, turn to the mirror for reassurance. I have the strength to overcome this. You can also inspire others by sharing your experience. Encouraging friends or family to try mirror work not only helps them, but reinforces your own commitment. Seeing their growth can be a powerful reminder of how powerful this practice is. As you continue, you'll notice that the mirror becomes a trusted ally, reflecting not just your face, but your growth, resilience, and dreams. It's no longer just a piece of glass. It's a tool for creating a life that aligns with your true self. Your reflection holds the power to unlock a version of you that's confident, empowered, and ready to accept life's possibilities. By committing to mirror work for 21 days and beyond, you'll transform the way you see yourself and the world around you. If this video resonated with you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this life-changing practice. Together, let's inspire and uplift each other to create miracles in our lives.